Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets cleaner, and let's be honest, a whole lot easier to use by adding simple yes/no choices, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through two super fast ways to add yes and no options to any cell. By the end, you'll be able to set this up for yourself and make your spreadsheets look professional and intuitive for anyone using them. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the classic drop-down menu. This is perfect if you want people to pick from yes or no without typing anything. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the yes/no choice to appear. You can really use any cell, but maybe you're tracking a completed task or confirming if someone attended a meeting, whatever fits your needs. Next, look up at the top of Google Sheets and find the Insert tab. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll find a ton of tools, but today we're focusing on the drop-down option. So from the menu, select Drop-down. If you're new to drop-downs, don't worry, this part is straightforward and pretty quick. You'll see some default options appear, but we want to be very specific. In the sidebar that pops up, usually over on the right corner of your screen, replace the existing options with just what you need, yes and no. This isn't just for style, it helps prevent typos, keeps things consistent, and makes data way easier to analyze later. Now a little design tip, you can add color to make it even easier to see at a glance. Maybe green for yes and red for no, or whatever colors make sense for you. Changing the color isn't just for looks, it really helps others understand your spreadsheet in a flash, especially if it gets busy with lots of data. Alright, now let me show you another cool way. Maybe you prefer those clickable checkboxes instead of a drop-down list. Here, how you can set it up so the box says yes when checked and no when unchecked instead of the standard true or false. Start by selecting the cell you want to use. Again, any cell works here. Go to Insert up in the menu just like before, but this time pick Checkbox. You'll see a little box pop up in your selected cell. Now by default, behind the scenes, a checkbox is either true or false, which works for some people, but it's not very intuitive if you share your sheet with others who may not love spreadsheet lingo. To customize this, click on the cell with the checkbox, then head over to the right side where data validation rules appear. If they don't, you can trigger them by selecting the cell, clicking Data in the menu, and choosing Data Validation. Look for the option that says Use Custom Cell Values. Check that box. Now, instead of true or false, replace those with yes and no. So now, whenever someone ticks the box, it'll display yes, and when it's empty, it'll display no. This small change can make your spreadsheet feel much more friendly and approachable. And there you have it, two fast and simple ways to add yes and no options to any Google Sheet, whether you want a drop-down or a clickable checkbox. Both approaches help streamline your data entry and make your spreadsheet much easier to use and share. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more quick Google Sheets tips like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.